We are gonna make chow mein with chicken and vegetables. Something easy to make at home. Do you like Chinese food? Do you buy it or you make it at home? Well, I like to cook it. In my house, you save money. For this recipe, we're gonna use a big chicken breast, boneless, and we're just gonna cut it into little pieces. They don't have to be very small, like medium size would be okay. You can use chicken thighs if you want, but chicken breast is very good for this recipe. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate this chicken, adding salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of coriander, ground coriander, or cilantro powder. Garlic powder will be okay too, just a little bit, and a little bit of ground cumin. I'm gonna use some soy sauce too. This soy sauce that I'm using has a low sodium, and I'm probably gonna use some Lea Prairie sauce too. Just put like 2 tablespoons of each, and then start mixing everything. You can let the chicken more, let it sit for like 20 minutes if you want. Oh, you know what? We're gonna use some cornstarch too, just a little bit. It gives a nice flavor, and it also has a nice consistency. And now in a pan, we're gonna add some canola oil, and I like to wait for the oil to be a little bit hot, and then just start frying the chicken. For how long? I would say probably around 5 or 6 minutes. Just start frying the chicken. It won't take you a long time to cook the chicken breast. Now, if you don't want to fry it, that's okay. You can put it on the grill. You can put it in the oven, and then just eat it that way. It probably took me like around 6 or 7 minutes, and I have the flame of the stove very high, and it starts smelling very delicious in your kitchen when you're cooking Asian food. Okay, I'm already finished cooking the chicken. I'm gonna set it aside. In the same pan, add some more oil. You don't have to wash the pan. There's a lot of flavor. I'm gonna use a little bit of red and green bell pepper. I have some leftover peppers that I had inside my fridge. Okay, we're gonna fry the vegetable. We want the vegetable to be tender, not very hard. And I'm gonna put some broccoli too. I like broccoli a lot. When you're cooking Chinese food like chow mein, you can use any vegetables. You can use carrots, you can use mushroom. Wow. I'm gonna put some like green onions too. And you can put more oil if you see that the vegetables are absorbing the oil. That's okay. Okay, now we're gonna put all the chicken in there, and just keep combining everything. We want the vegetables to absorb, to get all the flavor from the chicken, from the sauce. Now, you can put garlic and ginger. I have some garlic and ginger paste that I made long time ago. I'm gonna show you how to make it one of these days. I'm gonna upload a video. I said that last time. It's so easy because that way you don't have to like cut garlic and ginger. You just have it ready there inside your refrigerator, and it will last you a long time. Okay, I put like half tablespoon of garlic and ginger. I have some water here. This time I'm gonna use Shanghai noodles. You can use like Italian noodles if you want to. This I bought them in a Asian store near here where I live. The good thing when you live like in Los Angeles, there are a lot of like supermarkets, like Asian supermarkets, where you can find pretty much anything when it comes to like cooking Asian food. Oh, you can buy it online too. You can buy online a lot of stuff. Now you gotta boil the vegetable for like 5 minutes. Even though it says that you were supposed to like cook it for only 1 minute, no, I don't think that's a good idea. Now we're gonna get rid of all the water. We don't need it. What I like to do is just, run the noodles in cold water for until they get a nice texture. Cold water, okay? That's what you have to do. Okay, we're finished. Let them sit there for like a couple of minutes. And then you're gonna put all those noodles along with the chicken and the vegetables and start mixing everything. I'm gonna add some sauces here. We're gonna put some soy sauce. We're gonna put some like oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. Before that, just start mixing everything. Here we have soy sauce. Put some more. Don't worry, this food's not gonna be salty, okay? Just be careful. Try to use soy sauce that has a low sodium. Then I'm gonna put like some oyster sauce in there, and I like to add a little bit of hoisin sauce. As always, you can find these sauces in many Asian supermarkets, or you can buy them in Walmart, Amazon. Keep combining everything in here. And ladies and gentlemen, we have here some chicken chow mein with vegetables. So easy to make it at home. Don't buy it in supermarket. I don't like to buy the chow mein at Panda Express. It's terrible, very expensive. They don't give you a lot. You can cook this at home and like feed your family or share it with your friends. I like to put some cabbage almost at the end. A little bit of cabbage. You can use some purple cabbage if you want. And just keep combining everything. So what do you think? Are you gonna cook this one of these days? It doesn't take you a long time to do that, okay? I would recommend eating this with an ice cold beer. Oh wow, that would be awesome. Or with a nice glass of wine, like Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc. That would be a great idea. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm gonna keep uploading more videos in this channel. I like to cook at home. I like to enjoy a good meal. And there's nothing like cooking at home because you save money, you enjoy your food. It's pretty good. Chow mein with broccoli, chicken breast, and other ingredients. Alright, we'll see you next time. Please give it a like, leave a comment as always, and watch my other videos. I have some more Asian food videos that I have uploaded, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day, good night,